Today's question is top k frequent elements. Lead code 347. It is a medium level question. We are going to solve this today. What is the question telling? It is telling that it has given a nums array and a k integer. We need to sort this array according to the frequency of the element, and we need to return the k element. Suppose we are sorting this array. 1 is for 3 times, 2 is for 2 times, 3 is for 1 times. So we need to return the topmost k numbers of frequency of the element. Means we need to return our output as 1 and 2. Use a hash map for doing this. First of all, we will travel through the nums, then we will check if one is not in nums, then we will assign 1 to key, and again we will put all the number of ones to its value. Suppose number of 1 is 3, so we will put 1 plus 1 plus 1 means count of this is 3. We'll put 3 in the hash map. Then 2 will come. 2 is not in the key, we'll put 2 here. Again we'll check the number of 2's here. 2 plus 2, how many number of 2's? 2. So we'll put 2 here. Again 3 will come. We'll assign the key value as 3. We'll check how many number of 3? 1, 3. So here value will be 1. Now we got all the value 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to return topmost 2 values because our k is 3. So we have to return topmost 2 values is 3 and 2. So we are going to return their key value, which is 1 and 2. So guys, now let's understand the code, how it works. First of all, we will traverse in the entire nums. For I in nums, we got 1. It will check if 1 in hash map, 1 is not in hash map. Let's make a hash map to understand this. 1, which is I value, which is 1 is not in hash map. So it will put 1 here and increment and assign value equal to 1 here. Means else part will execute. Again it will go in for loop. Again 1 will come. It will check if 1 in hash map, 1 is already in hash map, then it will just simply increment the value, which will become 2. Like this, it will make our hash map 2 will be 2 and 1 will be 3. Our final hash map will look like this. So now we need to sort this. Why we need to sort this? Suppose we are getting an input like this, which has 1 2 2 3 3 3, in which we need to return the k highest frequency element. Means we need to return our 2 and 3. But in this, if we not sort our hash map, it will give our output as 1 comma 2, which is because this is coming first, then this. So hash map return in order, so it will return 1 and 2. It will return 1 and 2. But if we sort our hash map will look like something like this: 3 whose value is 3, 2 whose value is 2, 1 whose value is 1, and it will return these two values 3 and 2, which is the expected output. So we are using this sorted hash map. Then we are simply returning the hash map of keys. Suppose this is our hash map, we are not returning the values, we are returning the keys, because in question it is asked to return the keys, not the values. So we are returning the keys from 0th to k index, because it requires only k element. K is 2, but our hash map contains 3 elements, so it requires only 2 elements, so it will return only 2 elements in a list format, because our output is required in a list format.